Itong part na to, pwede rin yung hawakan. Tapos itong shoulder armor na angat, pati dito. Ayan. Tapos meron din siyang mga, syempre articulated din tong model kit na to. Tanggalin muna natin tong wings. Okay, so we can examine itong ZG, ZGMF na Destiny Gundam. So you can, so you have the chest unit. Hindi ko sure kung nabubuksan to. Yan. Tapos, you have the waist armor. Very cool na waist armor dito sa side. Then dito rin sa likod. Meron siya mga water slide decals. Then you have the legs. Ganda ng color separation dito sa legs. So you have the lighter side dito sa side, darker side dito sa front side of the legs. Then you have the blue section, tapos red yung kanyang feet, yung sole. In terms of articulation, up, down, 360, yes, pwede. Itong shoulder armor nagagalaw, you can put that up, 360, alam ko pwede yan, pwede mo magalaw yan. 360, try natin 360, yes. Tapos, rotation sa kamay. Okay, meron ba? Meron. Double jointed na elbow, then ball joint yung kamay. Tapos sa waist, can ab crunch, and then stretch. Meron ding movement 360, meron ba? Payo, parang delikado. Di ko na lang gagalawin. Skirts can move up, down. Tapos this one can also move. Medyo, ayun, okay. Okay. So dito pala yung rotation niya. Okay. Tapos, pwede mo i-move yung skirts so that the model kit can kick that far. Double jointed legs. Tapos, ball joint yung paa. Teka, tingnan natin dito. Kung pwede mo move tong part nito. Okay. This one can move. Okay, this one can also move. Alright. Nakaglue na pala to. Glued part na to. Okay. Glued part na rin pala to. Alright. So, yun. So, yun ang ating review and super excited na ako i-custom repaint to. That's why, yun ang ating review sa ating Dragon Momoko. Tapos, ito yung naka-attach sa likod niya. Dalawang, I think, two swords. So, pwede mong i-stretch dito. Very cool design. Tapos, ito naman, yung green version, pwede mong i-stretch dito. Yan. Ganda. Ganda ng engineering sa kit na to. Pwede mong i-attach din dito sa kanyang back part ng kanyang wings. Something like this. And this. Okay. Tapos, you can attach